For cleaning out the waste tank, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove this jack. Open up this latch right here. Then you're going to want to take your 1 13/16 socket with your T-handle and loosen this plug right here. What you want to do after that plug is out is you're going to take your pressure washer and spray everything out. Make sure that the front of the trailer is lower so everything runs towards the evac port up front. When you're done spraying it out, either use plumber's putty or Teflon tape and firmly put the plug back in, secure that in its spot, lower this, put your jack back on, and then we'll head to the front where we'll evacuate all the waste out of the evac port. To empty the waste tank, you got your evac port located right up here. Simply connect your hose to it, open up the valve with this little handle, and start pumping. When you're done, close the valve, disconnect your hose, and you're good to go.